Today I will talk about Levon Saganashvili, arm wrestler. People know as nicknamed Georgian Hulk. Daily training routine and who has beat him so far, so let's start the video. Arm Wrestling Championship 2024 winner? Levon Saganashvili won the 2024 Arm Wrestling Championship in the right hand super heavyweight category, defeating Devon Larratt 4-0 in the East vs West 12 event. This solidifies Levon Saganashvili's dominance as a top competitor in the sport, continuing his successful run in the super heavyweight division. Levon Saganashvili arm wrestling record. Levon Saganashvili, often referred to as the Georgian Hulk, has an extraordinary record in arm wrestling. Here's a summary of his notable victories. East vs West 12, 2024 Saganashvili defeated Devon Larratt 4-0, retaining his right-hand super heavyweight world title. Vendetta Top 8, 2019. He dominated Kaidergali Ongarbayev 6-0. Vendetta All-Stars number 50, 2018 Saganashvili won against Tim Bresnan 6-0 World Arm Wrestling Championships, WAF, 2018. He claimed first place in both the left-hand and right-hand categories in the senior men 110+ kilogram class Euro Arm 2018. He also secured first place in both arms in the senior men 110+ kilogram division. Levon is known for his overwhelming power, technical skills, and consistent performance. His training routine. Levon Saganashvili's training routine is centered around maximizing his raw strength, endurance, and arm-specific power. Here's an overview of his typical training regimen. Strength training. Levon focuses heavily on compound lifts like bench press, deadlifts, and squats to build overall strength. He uses heavy weights and low representatives to develop maximal power, especially targeting his upper body and grip strength. Arm-specific workouts. Wrist and forearm strength. Since wrist control is crucial in arm wrestling, Levon does a lot of wrist curls, reverse curls, and other forearm-specific exercises. He trains both the pronation and supination, rotational movements of his wrist to handle different arm wrestling techniques. Grip training. Gripping power is key, so Levon works with thick bar grips and uses hand grippers to develop crushing grip strength. Arm-specific workouts. Wrist and forearm strength. Since wrist control is crucial in arm wrestling, Levon does a lot of wrist curls, reverse curls, and other forearm-specific exercises. He trains both the pronation and supination, rotational movements of his wrist to handle different arm wrestling techniques. Grip training. Gripping power is key, so Levon works with thick bar grips and uses hand grippers to develop crushing grip strength. Bicep and tricep work. Arm wrestlers need strong elbow flexors and extensors. Levon focuses on bicep curls, hammer curls, and tricep pushdown to ensure his arms are well balanced and capable of explosive force. Cable and pulley systems. Levon trains using specialized pulley machines designed to mimic arm wrestling angles. These machines allow him to practice the exact arm and hand movements he uses in matches, improving his muscle memory, endurance, and technique. Table time. In addition to his gym workouts, Levon practices at the arm wrestling table with sparring partners. This helps him refine his technique, reaction time, and real-world application of strength. Recovery. Given the intensity of his training, recovery is a major part of Levon's routine. He includes stretching, mobility work, and possibly uses methods like massage and cryotherapy to avoid injuries and maintain longevity in the sport. Who beat him? Levon Saganashvili has defeated several notable opponents throughout his arm wrestling career. Here are some key matches and victories. Devon Larratt. Saganashvili faced Larratt in the East vs West 12 event in September 2024, winning decisively with a score of 4-0, which solidified his dominance in the super heavyweight category. Kaidergali Ongarbayev. He defeated Ongarbayev with a score of 6-0 during the Vendetta Top 8 event in 2019, showcasing his strength in a significant international competition. Tim Bresnan. Saganashvili also won against Bresnan with a 6-0 victory at the Vendetta All-Stars number 50 in 2018, further establishing his reputation in the sport. Dmitry Trubin. He defeated Trubin 6-0 during the World Arm Wrestling Championships in 2018, again demonstrating his exceptional skill and strength. Levon's victories reflect his status as one of the top arm wrestlers globally, known for his incredible power and technique. For more detailed information on his matches and statistics, next video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel.